This mini hockey stick set is clearly built for young fans, pairing kid-friendly sizing with authentic Columbus Blue Jackets graphics that make indoor games feel more like the real thing. The two included sticks, one right-handed and one left-handed, make it easy for siblings or friends to jump into quick matches without fighting over equipment. The durable plastic shafts and curved blades stand up surprisingly well to repeated slapshots on carpet or basement floors, so parents are not constantly replacing broken gear. Soft foam balls keep the action safe around furniture and walls while still giving kids enough bounce and speed to practice real shooting and passing skills. Because the set is light and compact, it is simple to pack for sleepovers, road trips, or rainy day play in tight spaces where full-size gear would never fit. Overall, this is a fun, team-themed starter kit that helps children build coordination and confidence while fueling their enthusiasm for hockey at home.